All right, so today's the day. Going to be finally cleaning this car up now that it's able to be driven under its own power. So just get started on that. Look at where the super clean like just dripped down. You didn't even touch that. You can see the lines.
This part's bugging me though. Right here.
Look how gross this is. Nasty.
Get out of here. Here's what we got the interior looking like. I think it looks a lot better. So now we get to start on the outside. Did already clean the engine bay, but I didn't really film the process of that, but I do have a before and after that I can show right now.
My love, I got taste. Spit in my face, my love, I got taste. Spit in my face, my love, I got taste. Spit in my face, my love, I got taste. Spit in my face.
All right, got the car out and it's time to wash it. Threw a work light up there, so hopefully I'll be able to see. Got everything we need to get this clean. It's all rinsed off. So now what we're gonna do is spray some iron decon on it and then clay bar it. This is what I'm gonna be using at McGuire's. So the whole car is sprayed down. So now I'm just gonna take my clay mitt, some soap on it, and then just back and forth all over the whole car. Here's a good example of where it's reacting. So there's obviously rust there and it's removing it. The car is completely clayed and now it's just time to rinse it off, pull it in, and start doing some polishing. I completely forgot about the wheels, so what I'm gonna do is use
the same iron remover on the wheels, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then come through with some Adams wheel and tire cleaner, and then rinse them. Here's a good example of the iron remover reacting. You can see it's all turning purple. Now here's my go-to wheel and tire cleaner. This stuff is awesome. Dust. It reacts with the brake dust. This is all just the iron cleaner taking off the brake dust. So now we're just gonna come in here and agitate, and you can see it all just comes right off. Gonna take this girl to go get some coffee. Thing is looking really good, so just gonna take it one step further. Using Gria's Complete Polish, we're just gonna put about that much on there, and then we'll do small sections at a time. So what I'll do is put it to this speed setting 1, spread it out around this area, and then switch it up to 6 and do probably 2 passes this way and 2 passes this way, and then I'll move on to the next section. All right, so I just finished the hood. It's hard to tell a difference on camera, but there is a big difference in person. It looks way better. All right, the car is completely done. It looks way, way better. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it's a big difference. Really happy with it. For how little time I spent just one stepping it, it came out awesome. Here's what I'm going to be using. After you complete something like this, when you're polishing, you have to protect your paint because there's nothing left over. You strip all the wax or ceramic or whatever it is, you strip it off, so you got to put something on there to protect the paint in the future. All right, the paint's protected, and this is the last thing I'm going to do for the night. So I'm probably going to end up extracting this because it is a little bit dirty, but you can see this is pulling up like this, and I'm not good at stitching, so I'm going to try to makeshift a way to fix this because it's the only bad floor mat. And this car is supposed to be on a budget, so all I'm going to do, pull this up. I got some automotive headliner adhesive that I think should work good. So I'm just going to take that and spray it in there, both sides. Press this down. Some scissors. Just cut the extra. I'm going to come back, some scissors, cut the extra strings off. Looks quite a bit better, and now it'll be stuck down. So I'm probably going to come back and use the carpet shampoo on this and probably show that in a different video because I'm done. All right, so that's it for this video, cleaning up this car. Stay tuned because I got a lot of things coming. This car is probably going to be sold eventually. I just need to do the expansion tank on that, and then hopefully going to sell this car to fund another car. This car has a lot of parts coming. We got stuff for camber, steering wheel, shift knob. Diff is probably going to get welded soon, depending if this is the car I want to drift or if I'm going to sell this car too. But yeah, stay tuned. Lots of stuff coming. Thanks for watching. Also going to fix this fitment soon, finally.